Earlier this year, we heard rumors that Mi Band 5 would launch this June, but yesterday it was confirmed. Not the month, but it was confirmed to launch sometime this year. Xiaomi's Huami subsidiary confirmed in a post on Chinese social media Weibo that the Mi Band 5 will definitely see a 2020 release. Now that is a good news, particularly because there were rumors that Xiaomi was going to cut ties with the subsidiary. For those unaware, Xiaomi and Huami have historically had a close relationship. The latter has always helped the former in making of its smart wearable products like the popular Mi Band series. Now rumors were floating around that said Xiaomi investment was being pulled back. But a recent post on Huami's Weibo account dismissed rumors that Xiaomi was going to pull out of the working relationship and even carried a detailed article addressing the situation. In a recent Huami earnings call, the company's CEO made it clear that Huami was still busy with the development of Xiaomi Mi Band 5. And the executive expects the next wearable in a popular series to be just as successful as its predecessor. It is clear that the series is popular and that Huami was a part of the reason for the success. Now, for some roundup of specs, based on previous information, we expect the fitness tracker to tout a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, NFC support, and a 179 yuan price tag. I will link the video that I made few months back, which still holds good, so do check it out for more information on the watch. It gives a bit more depth information. Huami also recently confirmed the Amazefit line would see a new addition in the coming months called Amazefit ARES. Rumors of the ARES first began surfacing online after a picture of a watch was leaked in the Chinese version of the Amazefit app. The company responded to it, clarifying the listing was unintentional and that customers can expect the device to land later this year. This will be more of a rugged device with an octagonal shape and a single physical button on the right. The timepiece will reportedly be able to withstand practically any blow. In addition to protection against the elements, the watch will be able to support a multitude of sports, over 70 to be exact, including some extreme ones such as skydiving, mountain running, and more. And that's it for today, guys. Do consider subscribing for more such videos and definitely check out other videos as well. See you in the next one. Peace out.